Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day. Right now we are on our way to have lunch at HotPot Factory, which is on Salah Al Din Street, Deira, Dubai.
And today we're having unlimited hot pot and barbecue buffet. During happy hours from 1 to 5 p.m., they only charge you 49 dirhams per person and 59 dirhams between 5 p.m. until midnight.
And by the way, we've noticed that they have increased the food variety in the buffet, especially in the pre-cooked food section in comparison to 6 months ago during our last visit.
For the soup base, we went for regular on one side and spicy on the other. As per the service, the staff were attentive and very friendly. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give us the thumbs up.
If you'd like to see more hotel and food review videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified on our next video.